Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another tool review for you today. Not really a tool, more of a commodity or, accessory, I guess, if you will. But it's the Harbor Freight 8-inch hunting survival knife. Got this for, I think, $6 at Harbor Freight the other day. I figured I'd give it a shot. I put it in the truck just in case. You never know. So, comes with a carrying sheath here with a belt loop, as you can see, and a little snap. On the back here, it says that it includes sewing kit, safety pin, buttons, fishing line with hook, matches with flint paper, compass, and carrying sheath. So we already covered the sheath, but all the rest of the stuff comes in this cute little bag right here. You see you got your matches, and you got some thread, and I see a fishing line here. On the other side of that is, yep, there's a fishing hook right in there. Sorry guys, camera skills are not the greatest. And then that fits right in the buttstock here, and then that get caps off. Here is the compass that doesn't work. As you can see, north is moving around. So that is one flaw. So if you're looking for something with a working compass, you're better off using your smartphone or a real compass. Yeah, I wanted to demonstrate how it cuts. So I set up a piece of cardboard there. Now it's just a piece of cardboard from a socket set that I did a review for as well. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch it. And it does cut through pretty easily. The serrated blade, I could use a piece of wood or something, but it also seems to be very sharp. So overall, a pretty good little product. I think for $6, you really can't beat it. I think it's something good to have in your trunk or underneath the seat in your car, just in case you got to cut something, or if you're going fishing. It's a good knife to have. And bonus that it comes with the carrying sheath. You're not going to stab yourself. So, yeah, have at it. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have bought this, what you think, what you use it for, and yeah, rock on.